Borneo, a giant rugged island in Southeast Asia's Malay archipelago, is shared by the Malaysian states of Sabah and Sarawak, Indonesian Kalimantan and the tiny nation of Brunei. It's known for its beaches and ancient, biodiverse rainforest, home to wildlife including orangutans and clouded leopards. In Sabah there is 40-95-meter-tall Mount Kinabalu, the island's highest peak, and, offshore, the famed dive site Sipadan Island. Borneo is the third largest island in the world, with an area of 748,168 kilometers, 288,869 square miles, and population of 23,053,723 according to the 2020 national census. Situated at the geographic center of maritime Southeast Asia. The Proboscis monkeys would gamble their lives by taking the risk to leap into an alligators infested river with their baby monkeys.
This time, the whole family have made it.
It is one of the Greater Sunda Islands, located north of Java, west of Sulawesi, and east of Sumatra. The island is crossed by the equator, which divides it roughly in half. The island is politically divided among three states. The sovereign state of Brunei in the north makes up 1% of the territory. Approximately 73% of Borneo is Indonesian territory, and in the north, the East Malaysian states of Sabah and Sarawak make up about 26% of the island. The Malaysian federal territory of Labuan is situated on a small island just off the coast of Borneo. When the 16th-century Portuguese explorer Jorge de Menezes made contact with the indigenous people of Borneo, they referred to their island as Pulau Kalimantan, which became the name for modern-day Indonesian Borneo. This precious rainforest of Asia is filled with wild animals and so many unseen species in the entire world. According to Crawford, the word Kalimantan is the name of a type of mango or mangifera, though he adds that the word is fanciful and unpopular. The local mango, called Kalimantan, is still widely found in rural Ketapang and surrounding areas of West Kalimantan. The Borneo Rainforest is estimated to be around 140 million years old, making it one of the oldest rainforests in the world. The current dominant tree group, the Dipterocarps, has dominated the Borneo lowland rainforests for millions of years. It is the center of the evolution and distribution of many endemic species of plants and animals, and the rainforest is one of the few remaining natural habitats for the endangered Bornean orangutan. It is an important refuge for many endemic forest species, including the Borneo elephant, the eastern Sumatran rhinoceros, the Bornean clouded leopard, the Bornean rock frog, and the Hose's palm civet.